I'll review quickly what we'll cover today. We're going to cover determining your pricing tier, Microloc Mastery Pricing Standards, flat rates versus hourly rates, determining your hourly rate, price adjustments and increases, and maximizing tips. And we'll follow along with the workbook. And so we're going to use this. It's going to be really helpful for you in the calculations that we're going to do. Page 2 in the workbook is this form that you see on your screen. And this is the standard pricing recommendations that we're going to go over. Okay. So these are the base price recommendations. So this is the, when I say base pricing, I mean pricing before we add on a few other factors. So that we will go over later on. All right, so for consultation, there's a lot of standards we're setting as well. Considering region and taking that all into consideration, I still think skill is skill. Also taking into consideration the uniqueness of what we offer and how we are setting a standard as far as pricing.
And I feel like I'm spending a lot of time and money and not getting reimbursed at the end of the day, I mean, I do, but like with the rates I charge, they all say, Frida, you charge really low. And even the clients have told me that, and that I just feel like I can just jump it up. You know what I mean?
Sometimes we have to get over the fear of, we have an issue with charging with money. It's common. Like,
yes.
We want to be sensitive to it, but that's, it gets in our way, and it's okay to charge more sometimes.
That way you don't have to, it's like buying a car. There's no haggle prices. Did you go to CarMax or did you go to the BMW place? Ain't no haggle price. This is what you're going to pay. If you don't want to pay it, I completely understand. Thank you for coming in for your time. And if you change your mind, you have my information.
And that's good. Getting your ideal client is letting the people who aren't right for you go, and you standing by your prices, your work, your quality, etc. Thank you for sharing that. I hope it's been helpful.
Yes, it was, very much so, because even I still from time to time am trying to decide how much more I need to go up.
Yeah, it made it easy for me because I was kind of confused, especially with me starting out.